So, welcome back to the channel. So, this is Jonas, and I'm into cars, trucks, bikes, anything with wheels, DIYs, and outdoors. And today we're working on the Lancer. And today we're going to be talking about this magical thing. So, it's a quick release latch for the hood or the bumper. So, as I've mentioned on the past videos, that my bumper has been wood screwed by from the shops here. So there was a screw here, here, and here. So we had to put some fiberglass and filler on those area, and because it doesn't have a tab, they also screwed it. So this time we are using this to fix this. So we had to make, because we want it to be situated here, so we actually measured it somewhere that we needed a bracket, because if we don't, then it will be here, and I really didn't like it. So we made some bracket from a flat bar and drilled some holes, and then mounted it here. So now this will be easy to remove. And then I made a bracket here. So it's gonna be mounted here, here. And I think I'm gonna mount the original where it's behind this one. I don't know yet. Because right now, all I have to remove is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I'm gonna put back the one underneath here. So 5 in total, and I can remove the bumper. And I think it's sturdy enough. If not, then I'm gonna put the factory on these sides, but then I cannot remove the bumper without removing the headlight. So I need to remove the headlight. Let's see. But now it's really sturdy. Removing it is just quick. Just press this, and it's off. And then putting it back is just the reverse, and it's tight. There's no wiggle. So this is it. There's no wiggle in it. So that's this. I bought it from Amazon for 50 dirhams for 4 pieces. Or 4. This is 4, not 3. For 4 pieces, and I think it's worth it for 50 bucks. And instead of me making a tab, which how I did for the rear, this is quicker, and it doesn't move. So only thing you have to do is to measure where to place a bracket. It's up to you. You can even put it here, make the bracket, but you really need to have a bracket, or else it's going to be very high here. And I think this will be to this point. I don't know. I didn't like it, so I wanted it to be situated here. Anyways, that's this quick release latch. Get it from Amazon. I'll post a link in my description. Hope you like this. Next video will be about wrapping the Lancer. So we already prepped it. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better on gonna be better than before because we don't have the luxury of time. The reason why we are wrapping this is we are due for registration, and again, if you've been following me in my channel, in this country you cannot register a bad looking car. Paint should be perfect. If you remember Mike, go search in my channel. Mike's Nissan. I forgot what was his car. G something, and he failed because his hood was faded as compared to his fender. It wasn't looking bad. It was just faded, and he failed the inspection. So we are going to wrap this with Nardo Gray. It's a little bit darker than what a Nardo Gray is, but I liked it because I saw it on a BMW. So that's the next video. Follow me in this channel. Follow me on this build. Do like and subscribe. Peace.